Hi everyone, welcome back to How to Fix Online. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how to fix audio problem on Zoom application using iPhone. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If your Zoom audio isn't functioning properly and you can't hear other people participating on your Zoom meeting, then here's how to resolve the issue. The first thing to do is to make sure that you are connected to a Wi-Fi or a cellular data. Also, make sure that your iPhones or your iPads speakers are working. Also, make sure to open up settings on your iPhone and now tap on privacy and security at the bottom. Select microphone from these options and make sure that the button right next to Zoom is enabled. Once you enable microphone access to your Zoom application from your iPhone, you'll be able to solve the issue right away. Now, you'll also need to check microphone settings in your Zoom app. So open up Zoom application from the main homepage of Zoom. Tap on the More button at the bottom right. Tap on Meetings under Settings. Make sure to toggle off the button right next to Mute My Microphone. If you've enabled the settings, then you will not be able to have a conversation with your meeting members since it keeps your microphone muted when you join your meeting. So make sure that the button is disabled. Once you've changed the setting, you can now go back and from the main homepage try joining into a meeting for Zoom. Allow all of the necessary permissions popping up on the display by tapping OK, and most importantly, make sure to allow access for Zoom application to your microphone by tapping OK in the pop-up. Once you're in a meeting, you'll be able to notice that your audio problem has been solved. Once you make all of these changes, you might be able to solve your issue about audio problem on Zoom application. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.